Which panpipes are right for you? Well, first up we have the Antares Panpipes, which have 13 notes. This is our most compact set of panpipes. Let's see how it sounds. So starting with the longest note. So it starts with the bassy tones and then it goes more high pitched as we go along. Next up we have the Zampona Panpipes, which has a double row of notes. Compared to the Antares Panpipes, this one is a little bit more difficult to play because when you're playing, your position has to change. You have to jump from, say, this note to this note, or this note to this note, and this kind of movement. It can be very difficult for beginners. But anyway, let's see how they sound. And the other side. Lastly, we have the Siku Panpipes, which are a professional set of panpipes. Let's see how they sound. If you want to check out these panpipes, I'll put the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching.